In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your Bluehost domain to your Shopify store so your customers can reach your shop using your own custom web address. First, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost account and that you know which domain you want to use with Shopify. We'll be updating a couple of DNS records. DNS settings control where your domain points on the internet. So follow along carefully and avoid changing anything we don't talk about. Once you're in your Bluehost dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Domains. Go ahead and click that. This is where Bluehost lists all the domains you've registered or are managing through your account. On the domains page, locate the specific domain that you want to connect to Shopify. When you found it, look for a button or link that says DNS or sometimes manage, then DNS. Click into that area. This will open the DNS zone editor, which is where we'll make the necessary changes. We'll start with the A record. The A record tells your domain which IP address it should point to. In the list of DNS records, look for an A record with the host set to the @ symbol, usually shown as just @. This represents the root of your domain without the www. Edit this A record. In the field called points to, destination, or sometimes value, you'll need to replace whatever is there with the Shopify IP address 23.227.3865. Type that in exactly and double check that there are no extra spaces or characters. Next, look through the list of A records for any other entries that also use the host @. You should only have one A record with that @ host. If you see additional A records for @, delete those extra ones so that the only remaining @A record is the one pointing to 23.227.38.65. This helps avoid conflicts and make sure your domain goes straight to Shopify. Now we'll update the CNAME record for the www version of your domain. Scroll through your DNS records until you find a sname with the host set to www. This record controls what happens when someone types www before your domain name. Edit this www sname record. In the points to or value field, change it so that it points to shops.myshopify.com. Again, type this exactly as shown, all lowercase, no extra spaces, and with the .com at the end. Just like with the A record, check that there is only one sname record using the host www. If you see multiple sname records for www, keep the one that points to shops.myshopify.com and remove any others. Having only a single www sname record ensures visitors are consistently directed to your Shopify store. When you've updated the A record and the CNAME record, look for a Save or Apply button, usually near the bottom or top of the DNS page. Click Save to confirm all your changes. It may take a few minutes and sometimes up to a couple of hours for DNS changes to fully update across the internet, so don't worry if your domain doesn't connect instantly. That's all you need to do inside Bluehost. Your domain is now configured to point to Shopify, and once the DNS changes finish updating, visitors who type your domain with or without the www will land on your Shopify store.